Out here at the cemetery, it's a little windy. Therefore, I'm going to do a flight, keep it close so I can
0 feet altitude, 0 feet distance,
come back when I
9
need.
miles per hour, 99% battery.
You can hear it acting a little fizzy up there. You can hear it's fighting the wind a little bit. One more time, I moved it. Alright. Yeah, keeping this one nearby, like I said. Some storms coming in. It literally just got windy as I came out. So this is a low level around here.
112 feet altitude, 27 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 95% battery.
Seems to be handling it all right. It's not that bad. I probably could have done another mission, but we shall see. If I get hung up, I can easily get it back. That's why I want to keep it close by.
$246 feet altitude, 1,759 feet distance, 20 miles per hour, 90% battery.
Strong wind warning. Yeah, I got my fucking internet is out at home. Some idiots were digging up an old driveway and paving it. Apparently they hit a line which contained my internet service, and it's been off for about 4 hours. Surprisingly doing pretty good. Oh, I can't fucking steer this.
$245 feet altitude, 2,714 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 83% battery.
This is one of those older missions that I programmed and left. It's not really the one I wanted to fly, but a lot of these I had waypoints put in, points of interest where the camera looks, and if you don't shut it off, you can't control the camera, and that's what happens. So I get to look at whatever the drone wants to look at. When I was pulling in here, I saw some huge bird of prey. I don't know what it was, but it's not around right now. It was pretty big. It was probably just a hawk.
246 feet altitude, 3,068 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 77% battery.
I couldn't tell how far away it was, but it looked big, so it probably was pretty close. Pretty steady wind, but it's not really slowing us down. It's a nice view.
246 feet altitude. 3,833 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 71% battery.
A lot of thunderstorm warnings on my TV before I left, but it doesn't really look like the sky doesn't look that bad. It's the furthest point out right here. I don't see any wildlife today. I'm hearing gunshots out that way.
246 feet altitude. 5,070 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 65% battery.
Someone's out there shooting in that general direction. Sounds like a rifle. It's doing pretty well on the wind.
.45 feet altitude. 3,835 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 59% battery.
Must have the wind that it's doing a tailwind right now because it's doing almost 30. And it's a pretty strong breeze right here. Probably pick it up with the microphone. Yeah, I bought one of those foam rubber covers for the my GoPro to muffle the wind sound. That don't work. The microphone's in a weird place right in the corner. Don't have much effect.
.245 feet altitude. 4,535 feet distance. 28 miles per hour. 53% battery.
Feel a little raindrop. Couple. Wish I could turn the camera.
.246 feet altitude. 3,634 feet distance. 33 miles per hour. 47% battery.
It's on the way back. That went pretty well. Didn't get hung up in the wind. I thought it might, but no. It's doing 33. That's fast. I don't know what speed I had it set at.
245 feet altitude. 912 feet distance. 32 miles per hour. 42% battery. Mission ended.
I take over. There are no hood rats out. There's a couple down there.
Twenty-one feet altitude. 1,147 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 37% battery.
I gotta find them again. There we go. That's a buck. Very rarely you see bucks around here. I think he's the 4-pointer. I've seen him before.
Six feet altitude. 1,074 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 32% battery.
You'll see this guy. Yeah, somebody's really going off today, putting some lead down range. Another buck. Yep. He's gonna charge me. No, he's gonna run the other way.
Six feet altitude. 1,241 feet distance. 4 miles per hour. 27% battery.
Oh, they're having a convention over here.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
It's windy. The camera's blowing. Drone's blowing around in the wind. There y'all. That's about all I can do. I gotta come back. See ya.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%. 17 feet altitude. 1,637 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 22% battery.
Later, guys.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
The air brakes. It's the old glory
Warning,
flopping in the wind.
aircraft battery at 17%. 31 feet altitude. 25 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 16% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 14%.
That's surprisingly good control, or well, not control, but I mean good speed despite the wind. I wonder why. It's kind of strange, but I ain't complaining. He's back on the ground safe and sound. D-Dog
Warning,
out.
aircraft battery at 12%.
So he's got to get the last word. D-Dog out.